One of the first steps to setting up your Klaviyo account is integrating your e-commerce store. Integrating your store with Klaviyo allows the two websites to talk to one another. By that, I mean data will sync from your brand's website to Klaviyo, and vice versa, including customer profiles, order history, and product catalog data. Once this information is in Klaviyo, you can send customers targeted messages that are specifically tailored for them. Let's run through how this works with an example from Bola's Baked Goods. They plan to use Klaviyo to send personalized email and SMS messages. As they run through the initial account setup process, they make sure to integrate their store with Klaviyo right away, and as a result, begin to see data streaming into Klaviyo. This data unlocks endless possibilities for how the Bola's Baked Goods team can communicate with their customers. They may create an automated series of messages triggered by customer actions, also known as a flow, to remind high-intent shoppers that they still have items left in their carts. By linking their online store, they can populate dynamic content directly into their messaging, say adding an image of that product with its price. Similarly, as new site visitors opt into Bola's Baked Goods marketing, they will automatically enter into Klaviyo. Then, Bola's Baked Goods can begin promoting sales, new product launches, and more to these interested subscribers. At the end of the day, integrating ensures that these two key systems for running your business work together as one, so that you can create a seamless customer experience. It is best practice to do this as soon as you have activated your account, so that you can quickly and effectively ramp up with Klaviyo and house all of your data in one place.